Good morning, students. This is the video to explain the directions on 1.4 and 1.5. Let's read the directions to 1.4 together. First, you need to, especially if you were not in class or if you did not finish doing this in class, you need to go back to 1.3, the chapter, the reading. And you need to finish highlighting all the vocabulary words in chapter 1 that we're working on this week. It's a good idea also to circle or mark words in the reading that you want to look up in the dictionary or translate, because we're going to read this chapter again on Friday, and you'll need to understand it or be ready to understand it. And then it says, number 2, read the sentences below and write the correct vocabulary word in the blank. Now, to do this, you need to have done your assignment 1.2, where you looked up and you translated all the vocabulary words, because if you don't know what these words mean, then this work is too difficult. So make sure that you've done 1.2 first. So for example, I'm going to read a sentence, just like it says in number 2. Number 1, the fires are causing so much to houses. And then I look at the different words. The fires are causing so much brain to houses. No, that doesn't make sense. The fires are causing so much boat to houses. That doesn't make sense. And if I know what the word damage means, it means to hurt, right? To cause problems. Then I know that the answer that I'm going to write here is damage, right? The fires are causing so much damage to houses. And then I can go ahead and I can type my answer, or I can write my answer in my packet, right? And if I type my answer, I just need to click Turn in Google Classroom. If I want to do my work in my packet, I just need to take a photo, and then I need to go on my phone to the Seesaw app, which you guys have used before last year, I believe definitely in Miss Sarah's art class, and you just upload the photo from your packet to the Seesaw activity. Links to the Seesaw activity are in on the website on myoihs.org. You can also just log into Seesaw and you should see yourself in this class in 11th grade English, cohort 9 or cohort 11. So let's look at the next assignment over here. So your job here is going to be to watch a video first, right? Let's read the directions. It says Indian reservation word map. I know a lot of students don't know what is an Indian reservation. So there is a video that tells you a little bit about what an Indian reservation is. It gives you some ideas about what it is. So you can watch the video in Google Classroom. It's in YouTube. Or you can also click on the link to watch the video. I can show you on here. Go to classwork, right? It says video for 1.5. So if I click on this, I can view the material. I can watch the YouTube video. I can also go to the website, to myoihs.org, and I can see the video there. So you're going to watch the video, and you might want to watch it a few times, right? Number 2 says you can watch it a few times. Some of the English in the video is difficult, right? And if you watch it a few times, you'll get more ideas. And then while you're watching it or afterwards, you're going to write down any of the words that you understood from the video that are connected to what an Indian reservation is. And we'll learn more about Indian reservations in the future. But for now, I want you to begin to kind of come up with a picture in your mind of what an Indian reservation might look like. This assignment, I think, is easier to do in your packet than it is to do on the computer, because I don't know how I can write over here, right? Ugh. It makes it kind of difficult. I think it's difficult to write your answers in the Google Classroom document. I think that this assignment is easier to do in your packet, take a picture, and to upload to Seesaw. So that's what I would do if I were a student. And at the end of each one of these lines, you can write a different word that comes into your mind when you're watching this video about Indian reservations. Okay, and that's it. These are due on Friday before class. And see you soon. Bye.